Wires extrusion line is a specialized manufacturing system used to produce a wide range of wires and cables used in electrical and electronic applications. This extrusion line is an essential part of the wire and cable manufacturing industry, allowing for the efficient and precise production of insulated and sheathed wires used in various electrical and electronic devices. Electrical and electronic wires produced on these extrusion lines find use in a wide range of applications, including power cables used for transmitting electrical power in various voltage ranges, control cables used for controlling electrical equipment and machinery, communication cables, including Ethernet cables and fiber optics for data transmission, coaxial cables used for transmitting radio frequency signals, appliance wiring wires for home appliances like refrigerators and washing machines. GF50+35 extrusion lines are highly customizable to meet the specific requirements of different wire and cable types, making them a crucial part of the electrical and electronics industry.